Okay, in today's tutorial, we're going to be teaching you guys how to shut off the actual backflow systems, the gas shut off, and we're also going to look at the disaster supplies. Here's one of our backflow systems. We have 5 on site. What a backflow does, it allows water to come in from the city to go into our property right here, but it doesn't allow it to go back into the city. Just in case if the water is contaminated on our side, it doesn't allow it to contaminate the water on the city side. Okay, to shut off a backflow system, this one has a little wheel right here, and what we're going to do is just turn it clockwise, and that shuts off the water. Turning it counterclockwise opens up the valve and allowing the water to flow. Okay, and this one here, this is backflow number 1. And it's near the actual front door of the admin building, and it's labeled right here, the NPR backflow system. This shuts off all the water at the NPR building. But there's another shut off we'll show you later on in this video where to shut off the NPR building. We're still in front of the admin building, and we have backflow number 2 and 3. If you lift this up, the key for this one is the parking lot key. So most admin people have it. It's inside the key box as well. If you look at this on your left right here, this is the administration building, and it's tagged the administration building. This is pump number 2. And to shut this one off, all you do is lift this lever upwards, and it shuts off the water in the admin building. Number 3 pump here is for John and Mary's. It's tagged right here, and all you do is just turn it and it shuts off the water at John and Mary's. All right, we have a gas shut off. It's in front of the admin building. This one's for the admin building and the NPR building, as it says on the sign right there. We're going to show you next how to shut it off. Attached to the gas meter, you'll notice that there's a key right here. It has a yellow on it. Down at the bottom here, it also has yellow. And so what you're going to do, attach the key, turn it a quarter turn, and it shuts off the gas for the admin and NPR building. We're in front of John and Mary's, in front of the office windows here. You notice that this one has a number 4. This is pump number 4, backflow number 4, should I say. This is for all the irrigation system throughout the site. If you need to shut it off, if there's a leak in the ground or whatever, open the cage. Once again, the key for this is the parking lot key. You open up the gate and you turn the lever quarter turn, and it shuts off all the water within the irrigation system. We're in front of John and Mary's, in front of the office windows here. You'll notice this little red pump right here. This handles all the fire sprinklers system with inside of John and Mary's only. And if there is a leak, this would sound off the actual fire department. They'll come and shut it down for us. All right, we're in front of John and Mary's. We have one of the biggest pumps here, the backflow system. This is pump number 5. This is for the entire site, the fire sprinkler system. We don't have to do anything here. The fire department handles this right here. This little red box, if there is a leak within the sprinkler system, this little red box sounds it off and the fire department gets called. The key for this, as you notice right here, it has a little line on it. These are breakable locks. The fire department comes here, first thing they're going to do is just hit it with the hammer and they break off. Okay, we're behind John and Mary's right now. We have another water shut off. This water shut off is for the south side classrooms. It's painted in blue so that you know that it's a water shut off. We do have a key. It's located behind John and Mary's. It's hanging right there. And what we do is we actually just use this tool right here to open it up. Stick this down the tube and turn it clockwise until it stops, and that shuts off the water at the south side classrooms. Okay, we're in front of the NPR building here. You'll notice we have this red valve here. This is for the fire sprinkler system. We don't have to do anything here. The fire department will come over here and shut it off for us. It's connected to our fire alarm, so if the sprinklers do start leaking or the sprinklers go off, they'll get notified right away. Okay, we're on the east side of the NPR building, and we're in front of room 2. You notice this tube that comes out here. It's the NPR building water shutoff. This would be the ideal place to shut off the water in the NPR building if there's a leak in the restrooms or in the kitchen. We just have to lift this up, and you'll notice that there's a white lever down there. We just turn it up and water shuts off. In front of the south side north building, near the restrooms, you'll notice that we have a gas shutoff and a water shutoff valve. This is for the north building. We can shut off the water completely in this building by turning that knob here clockwise. The gas shutoff is located right here, and we have a tool for it. We put it on here, turn it a quarter turn, and it shuts off the gas. Okay, we're in the back of the admin building. You'll notice this red pump here. This is for the fire sprinkler system for the admin building. We really don't have to do anything here. The fire department does it. It has this sensor here that will call out the fire department in case there is a leak within the sprinkler system. All right, we're on the south side of the south classrooms. We have 2 valves here. We have a gas shutoff, and we also have a water shutoff. To turn off the water, just turn it clockwise. And to shut off the gas, there's a little wrench right here. Turn it a quarter turn, and it shuts off the gas. Okay, we're here next to the actual earthquake supplies, and it's near the trash can. It's in the shed here. Has everything you would need in case there's an earthquake or some type of emergency. The key for it is the parking lot key. Most admin people have it, or you can locate the key in the key box in the admin building. Okay, we're in front of the actual disaster shed in the parking lot near the trash cans. We have the emergency survival food here. We also have a toilet, first aid kit, we have a tarp, and we have a solar oven. We also have these pumps to pump out water out of the blue barrels that you see on site. That's our emergency water. We have a few more items in here. We also have sleeping bags, tents. We have all kinds of stuff in here for any type of disasters.